Alright, so this is a demonstration of the Parts Reloader tool. Right now in front of me I've got a test project and a test adventure package to walk through this tool. So first thing, we're going to hit the Parts Reloader button. Once you get to this window, it's going to ask you for a file. This is where you select your adventure package. So I'm going to go in and select my adventure package. Press OK. So now the tool is going to look through both my project and my package, and it's going to take a look at all and compare at all the parts that are occurring in both of the projects. So when this window pops up, first thing I want to explain is the difference between the main file and the subfile. The main file is where in the project you press this button from. It's usually going to be your main job project, while your subfile is always probably going to be your adventure file. So if we go back to this table, you'll see this long list of parts. These aren't all the parts existing in both of the project. It's all the parts that occur in both your project and your adventure package. And it compares both of them. So for example, if you see this fastener here, the difference between the fastener in your main project and in your adventure package, for example, is there's a die change and there's difference in parameters. And these red boxes here indicate that if you were to copy and paste these parts from your adventure package and into your project, you'll most likely run into duplicates here. So this green box over here is kind of like a way for you to select which parts you'd like to load in. You'll notice it says load into main, which means we're going to take all of our parts here on this list and load them into our main file. That way, all of the parts that are different between these two projects now become the same, and kind of is a way to alleviate the duplication problem. This chart over here kind of shows you all of the part names, same thing over here, but it also shows you where, in what detail they occur in. So it's also going to not only update these parts, but also the parts that are occurring over here. So when I press this button, it's going to start reloading all these parts from your adventure package into your main project. So now that it's done loading all of these, I can go to my adventure package. I'm going to highlight all of these, and we'll try to paste them into our main project. So I finished pasting all of my details from my adventure package into my main project. I didn't get any yellow duplicate box over here. I can check that it's all been done. So these are all the families that were loaded from our adventure package into our project. And we have all our details. So one thing to note about this tool is you want to run it before you insert your details into your project. And let me know if you're still running into duplicates. This tool is not 100% perfected, but yeah, if you have any questions on how to run it, let me know. And thank you.